to the Freebie Kids of Texas channel. The 3B Kids of Texas! Today we're going to show you a look at our playhouse. Come on!
But first, we're going to do some gardening.
We are responsible for our plants and our garden. This is about a month ago, and look how well it's doing.
This is quite the beanstalk.
And we got a pepper here. A big one. Yeah.
See the little pepper?
Has to be orange.
Soon it'll be orange.
But it's green.
This is our cilantro. And it is quite the beanstalk.
Yeah, quite the beanstalk.
Our orange peppers are here, and our green peppers are in the back.
Look at this parsley. And this is our garage. And hookups to keep our cars charged. Our strawberry plants are looking good. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. Welcome to our playhouse. Listen to our ring bell.
Complete with electricity. Our daddy did these shutters for us when we were little girls. Won't you sit down for some tea?
Look at all the fruits and vegetables we have. We can play markets. We can cook. We can do anything with these. These are the apples. Look at these bananas. Yum, yum, strawberries. And that's all foods. This is our sink where we wash our dishes. This is our refrigerator. This is our ovens of cupcakes and those pies. Even in this oven, there's cookie things, even pizza. And this is my yard chores. I got a lawnmower and a suction equipment, cement truck, and this thing that gets cement, and this thing that holds something. mowed the lawn for my little lady.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of our home, and I hope we see you soon. Now it's time for me to make some dinner.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.
Love you.
Let's go play. Thanks for the tea, ladies. Let me go back to work.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Bye.
Thank you for joining us.
I'm supposed to not dig here, but I can't help it. Stay tuned for the tour of the bear's den.